Governor of Council, Special Advisor, State Civil Service. They are David Iwamadwi to administer the oath.
Start, please.
I, do solemnly swear and affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, so help me God. Do solemnly swear and affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will seek solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will strive to present the principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will protect and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will abide by the law known to me as Permanent Secretary, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Permanent Secretary of River State. So help me God.
Press, ladies and gentlemen, my charge is very simple. This afternoon, for a few of you that are here, you are appointed into this exotic office, not because you're overqualified, but to appreciate your dedication to duty. One of you, who I can say is the reason why I had to do this now, was poached by those people who their duty is to wither our power or make our services here inefficient. But the person said, why would I leave a government that has not offended me, that is appreciating the little things I'm doing? And I have to say, it touched my heart so much that even when people are saying we're not doing anything, people still appreciate our concern for their well-being. You know yourself, I don't want to call your name. This appointment is because of that decision you took to appreciate you. For the others, it is a call to service. It is not for you to feel that you are bigger than every other person that you're going to work with. I've taken a decision that going forward, I do not want to give contract services to permanent secretaries anymore. Because if we continue to do it, there won't be room for the ones that are coming behind. So as soon as the permanent secretary retires, he will leave and we'll get a new person to replace the office. I want to charge you to be good ambassadors to the service. The ministries that you'll be assigned to, represent us well. Don't bring disgrace to us. You have only one responsibility now, is to the government. Don't be those people that will say, I'm loyal to who appointed me. Somebody recommended you, but I'm not interested in who recommended you. I'm interested in what you're going to do for the government and for the people of River State. I think that is enough. That is enough advice. If you misbehave, definitely I will show you the way out. this government, as it stands today, is about service. What is important to me is service delivery to the people of Rivers State who have decided to give us their support. We're still doing everything to keep us here. We must give them good reason for supporting us. Let me on this note congratulate you, wish you the best in your service here. Thank you, and may God bless you.
Next. Yes.